Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one poem from your literature book, The Legend of the Northland. Okay, it is written by Phoebe Carey. Okay, legend means a traditional story which is told by the peoples of that particular area. Okay, and this is a very big poem. This is of totally 16 stanza. So today I am going to explain you stanza 1 to 5. So all of you open your book and go through the poem and then watch the video. Okay. Now, away in the Northland, where the hours of the day are few and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. This is the poem about a place, Northland. And we all know that Northland is a place where the climate is very cold and winter is very long. So the poet is telling that in that particular area the nights are too long, so one person cannot sleep the whole night because the day is short and the nights are long, and that is of a very long hour, so one cannot sleep throughout the night. Where they harness the swift reindeer to the sledge when it snows, and the children look like bear's cub in their funny furry clothes. And the poet is telling that when the snow started falling in the Northland and the whole area is covered with the snow, on that time the people travel with the reindeer. They use the sledges tie with the reindeer and they go from one place to another. And on that time the children's looks like the bear cubs because they have to wear loads of cold clothes to make them warm in their funny furry clothes. They tell them a curious story. I don't believe this true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. No, the poet is telling that in that area the people always tell a story, and that story was very curious. Means no one wants to believe that maybe happened in the particular area. But when the poet is also telling that when he tells the story, on that time you must believe on the story, and if you can't believe but you get some lesson from the story, you learn some lesson from that story. No, once when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching just as he did, you know. No, the poet was telling that once there lived a man who is known as Saint Peter, and Saint Peter work is to go and give the message of the God to everywhere, to spread the message of the God. Here preaching means to spread the message of the God, and he was a saint, so he never take his food with him. So wherever he go on that particular area, he got the food from the people. So his duty is to walk about whole world and preaching just as he did, you know, and he was living in this world. Next, he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. Hearth means a fireplace. Okay. Now the Saint Peter, after moving the whole area, he comes to a cottage, to the door of that cottage, and he saw that in that cottage there was a little woman was living, and on that particular time she was making cakes and baking them on the hearth, on the fireplace. Okay students, now all of you go through the poem till stanza 1 to 5. Next class we discuss the next stanza. Thank you. Have a nice day.